What is up, everyone? So you're here because you want to learn how to farm the 1-inch token. So this video is made to make the whole process so that you can start farming some 1-inch tokens fairly quickly. And if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're already familiar with interacting with Web3. So if you're not familiar with Web3, I strongly suggest you stay away from yield farming until you know what's going on, right? So if you already have a Web3 wallet, stay to the end of this video and you'll know exactly what to do to get started. So let's jump right in, okay? So this is the announcement, one of the announcement articles that 1inch is actually announcing a utility token because they recently launched a Uniswap clone that is supposedly better, and it's called Mooniswap. And the reason why I'm very bullish about 1inch is because I really like their product, 1inch Exchange. I'm pretty sure that some of you has used it before. And they've just announced that if you provide liquidity to Mooniswap, you can farm some 1inch tokens, but this is really in the early stages, so there's no market price for 1inch tokens for the time being. But you can see that they're really quite generous. They are giving away 22.5%, 21% for ecosystem growth, which includes farming, as well as 2% to early Mooniswap liquidity provider. So it's actually quite cool. I really like the team. So you can't really just farm and dump right away like what you do with Curve or anything similar. But what I really like about this, because 1inch is really strong in terms of their development team. They help develop the synthetics network, and their own product is really good as well. So as you can see here, once you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see that these are the pairs that you can provide liquidity to and earn some 1inch tokens at the same time. But I just have to let you know that these tokens are vested. That means whatever Mooniswap or whatever 1inch tokens that you earn, you are going to earn it over a year, rather than get it right away like other protocols out there. So I think this is really good in terms of preventing people from dumping and just ruining the whole project just because whales come in and just farm everything and dump everything. So I think this is a really good move. It really keeps out all the short-term farmers, right? So, and it's actually really simple to get started. All you have to do is go to the Mooniswap website. You can check out the link below. Just click on the link below and you'll be able to see how to do it. So I'm just going to run a transaction just for the sake of demonstration. So I'm long Ethereum and Len. So therefore, I should not mind providing some liquidity, because I don't mind holding these two tokens, right? Because they're both really high growth tokens. And I prefer ETH and LEN. You can choose whatever pair you want to provide liquidity to. It's entirely up to you. And all you have to do is, connect your Web3 wallet on the top right over here. And make sure that you have 50-50 of whatever pair you have. They should be equivalent in value. So in this case, I only have very little left. I'm already farming some other stuff. So and all you have to do is click on approve Ethereum, approve LEN, and then hit the supply button, and you will be given a liquidity token and also another vested voucher that you can use to claim your 1inch tokens. So right now it's still at the very early stages, but I think this protocol, it's legit. The team is really strong. It's not like, there's very low chance of screw ups like yam or spaghetti or, whatever kind of food tokens they're giving away these days. And I like to personally put money behind what I believe in. So, and in this case, this is exactly how you do it, right? So, once you hit approved land, I use MetaMask, pay some transaction fees, and then hit supply. Just make sure that you have the tokens, 50% of each of the tokens, to be able to provide liquidity, all right? So guys, that's it for this video. This is my second ever yield farming video. And I hope that you've enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, you want to see more of this kind of stuff, please hit the like button, definitely, and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions at all, leave a comment in the comment section down below, okay? That's it, guys. Keep hustling on and keep farming. Bye, everyone.